John Tucci with Everblue Lakes, here with an update on one of our most innovative watershed projects we've done so far. And we're here today because we're in a winter rain event and wanted to come out and see how this process is performing during a pretty heavy period of consistent rain over the past few days. So you can see one of our erosion, bank erosion control check dam features here. You can see it's working as designed, which is preventing any erosion of the banks on the sides while and holding back lots of water. Normally this water would be ripping through here, eroding all the way down about a 4-foot deep cut bank, and instead it's nice and full, and our overflow design is working well because you can see our little footbridge is still not flooded. So we've got this designed properly to handle this level of flow, which is pretty severe for this area right now. And so shows that we've got a pretty good design here, at least for this level of high, moderate to severe event. And now you can see how well our diversion system is working to take some of this flow into this lowland floodplain area here, which is going to nourish this floodplain and encourage the right kind of vegetative growth for this kind of environment, improve this habitat while taking a good portion, some portion of the nutrients that would be flowing all the way down this this drainage to the lake that we're trying to protect. So this is really working extremely well. And now we'll kind of head down to show that we're holding the banks well. We're letting enough flow through to not overflow the banks, but protecting them at the same time. And a second diversion is also taking some water, which is great. And you know, here we did the best we could. We still have a lot of rapid flow here in this choke point. In an event like this, this is not probably perfect or ideal, but you can, you can't always achieve perfection in every spot of one of these, because if we were to build this higher, we'd obviously create a flooding issue in here, and we can't do that. So the beauty of these check dams is that yes, they let water come over the top, and you can see some sediment in that water, but the water that is slowed up behind them does drop out a substantial amount of the sediment that's in this flowing water. And so even when we have overflow, these structures are holding sediment and reducing nutrients going downstream. And you can kind of see the water's a little bit clearer coming off of this one than the upper one. So we're getting some good settling in this basin here. Really interesting project. We've got some more work to do a little bit downstream from here that will make this even more effective. But tremendous example of what's called a low-tech process-based restoration effort that is benefiting the drainage, benefiting this floodplain area, and benefiting the lake all in one for a very small amount of expense, a few $1,000s, and a few days labor. John Tucci, Everblue Lakes. Contact us at everbluelakes.com for help with your lake and watershed issues.